You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely simple buttercream. Yeah, this is the lowest buttercream you can ever make, and it's perfect. It's so lovely. I was able to decorate this beautiful cake with this buttercream. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? So this is the best you to get from me. So here I have my 300 grams of butter and icing sugar 750 grams, vanilla flavor 1 teaspoon, and water. Use your wooden spoon to cream your butter till you have a very light texture, and you start adding in your icing sugar. Add bit by bit as you mixing. When the is looking creamy, you start adding your icing sugar. If you have a hand mixer, it's still okay. You can only cream the butter with the hand mixer. That is my own theory. Only cream the butter with the hand mixer and use your hand and add the icing sugar and mixing. Please, I don't like adding in icing sugar into butter with hand mixer or standing mixer. Sometimes it incorporates a lot of air bubbles that will cause popping out in your buttercream after decoration. So I know you wouldn't love to have that in your decoration. So I've added the vanilla flavor, little water. As I add, if it's looking thicker, please drop some water little at a time till you get a very firm texture. Yeah, that is that. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. I have more than 500 videos, well-detailed that I know you will enjoy. So if you're a lover of cake and pastries, you are the right place. Just click on the subscribe button. Be a part of this lovely channel, and I promise you, you will not regret it. Have you liked my video? What are you waiting for? If you want to know how I decorated that beautiful cake, the video is on my video ready. I'll also drop on the description box. It's on my YouTube channel video ready. So feel free to explore and enjoy. Keep mixing gently. You add little water if it's looking thick, and you continue mixing till you have a firm texture. My buttercream is ready. Look at that, looking so firm and lovely, not too thick, not too soft. Look at that. So this is the best. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? To my old subscribers, I appreciate your effort. I appreciate you all so much. Thanks for always tuning in and watching my video. Thanks a million. Feel free to try. I love you. Bye.